Hi everyone, this is Danielle from A Novel Plan. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, if you're returning, welcome back. It's great to see you guys here. Today I am going to be working in the back of my Erin Condren Planner in the Notes Pages section, and I am going to be working on this page right here, which is my Fly Lady schedule. Alright, so if you've seen some of my other videos, I have this little planner right here. This is my little home planner. Now, I love this. I keep this in my kitchen, and it works great. This is kind of my schedule for all things meal planning, cleaning, all that fun stuff. This is just kind of stays in my kitchen, doesn't really go anywhere, and it's just used as a in-depth reference. I have a couple different videos on my Fly Lady stuff. This one right here is my different zones for my Fly Lady. There's a video on that. There's a video on this one, which is my routines. I have a video with my in-depth checklist for my different zones. And I also have a fourth video on this right here, which is my daily focus, like what I need to do on each specific day. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take these couple pages, these 4 pages, and I'm going to condense them as best I can and put them in the back of my main everyday planner. This is my planner that I keep all of my everyday schedules in. This is the month view. My current month is in February, and we are this week just passed. This was the week of Valentine's Day. I literally have my to-do list. Everything is in this, my schedules. This is the current week that we're on right here. So this is the one that sits out on my desk at all times, and there are notes pages in the back. So I have a bunch of different trackers in here. I have a book tracker, a Get Fit one. I have a weight loss rewards tracker. I have a vision board. I have a home projects one. Just a bunch of different stuff in the back here to reference when needed. So I thought that I would dedicate one page to my Fly Lady stuff. I want to condense it all into one page and just kind of have an overview in the back of my planner here so that it is all in one spot, and it is in here for me to reference throughout the week if needed. This also might be a good idea for somebody who doesn't want to have a separate little kind of home planner. If you want to kind of condense it and put it in your main planner and that's all you have. So that's what I'm going to work on today. I have kind of done a rough sketch, like super light, of where I kind of think I want to put things and how they're going to fit in here, but I'm actually going to finalize everything and go ahead and get started. So the main things that I'm going to be using in this video are a ruler and a pencil. I will at the end bring in a pen, some mild liners, and maybe a few stickers, but for the most part I am going to be just using a pen or a pencil and a ruler. Now this is in the back of my planner and it's all kind of cockeyed. I'm actually going to take some of the papers and kind of flatten it out a little bit. So the things that I want to put back here, I want to put a box for my daily focus, kind of what I need to do every single day. I'm going to have a box here for my zones, and then the 3 areas that are in each zones, like the 3 rooms. And then at the bottom here, I want to do a quick synopsis of my routines. So those 3 things are what's going to be in the back here. So I kind of measured this out a little bit. I want to here put my daily focus. So with Fly Lady, there is a kind of thing that you focus on every single day. Mondays are, well, let me put it this way. There's 7 different categories. You can assign the different categories whichever way you want. One of them is a home blessing, which has a couple tasks that you do like once a week. I do my home blessing on Mondays. Not everybody has to do it on Mondays. I do mine on Mondays. So that will be on Monday. There's something like anti-procrastinate. There's one that's plan and play. There's like date night. So there's a bunch of different things. If you want to know kind of an in-depth thing about what each category is about, I will link some of the videos above and in the description below if you want to check out those other videos. But I have one video on the daily focus, one on the different zones, and then one on my routines. That is something you may want to reference if you have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about. And then over here, I'm just going to use kind of this like box setup. Over here, I'm going to do the different zones. And I'm just, honestly, this is a really quick overview of the different zones for me to reference. And I'm just going to pull in a few mile liners to kind of decorate it a little bit. That line's not straight either. It is what it is, I guess. And then at the bottom, I'm going to do one bigger box. And then I'm going to put the title, I think, here, because that's kind of an open spot. So this is where I'm going to kind of pull in some mild liners. I decided on these three colors right here. It's like this yellow, this kind of minty, and this purple. And yes, I am missing an end to this one, but that's okay because I'm going to use this end. So right up here, I am just kind of highlight an area where I think I'm going to write. I like to highlight before I use pen. That way it doesn't smear it at all. Oh, this is kind of dying as well. I think I need a new super bright yellow. So the yellow will be there, and then we'll do purple up here. And up here, honestly, all I'm going to write is like what the different category is. And I just kind of wanted some bright, fun colors because, you know, nobody really likes cleaning. So why not make it fun and bright? And I think the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and outline my boxes with pen. But I also think that I'm going to kind of go around the boxes with the different colors too. So now what I need to do is put these different things in here. So for the daily focus, I will be putting these 7 things. I will be putting home blessing, plan and play, anti-procrastinate, errand day, date night, family fun day, and weekly reset is what I call my Sunday. So on here, I am honestly just going to put Monday through Friday and then put which of these is on each day because that is what my schedule is. So that is what I'm going to put in here. For zone cleaning, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take kind of an example of this first page. So this first page has my map right here. In these little categories here, I have what the different areas are that I use in each zone. So my zone 1 is the entry, the front and back porch, and the dining room. My zone 2 is the front closet, the kitchen, the pantry. So I'm going to write zone 1 and then write the 3 things that are in zone 1. Zone 2, write what's in zone 2. That's what's going to go in this box. My bottom box is my routines, and that is what's going to be here. So I'm going to divide this into 3 different categories: morning, afternoon, and before bed. And then I'm going to write underneath there what my different things are in each routine. And that's all I'm going to put on this. I'm going to put a little bit of decoration here, but this is really just going to be a brief overview of a lot of the core of what my Fly Lady routine is in the back of my planner. Alright, so this is how it turned out. I put all of them in here. I ended up kind of doing my zones like this and then putting little arrows to the different categories. The other thing that I'm going to do, I'm actually going to pull from these 2 sticker books, the Happy Hostess and the Journaling, and I'm going to do a little bit of something right here just to kind of spruce it up a little bit. So I'm going to pull in some of these pink flowers right here, and I'm going to use another sticker from the Journaling book. And I'm just going to kind of decorate it a little bit. I'm not really quite sure how I'm going to do this. So I think I'm going to go like this. And then I'm going to go like this. Now bear with me because it looks weird. But I am then going to take a sticker from this book if I can find it. I'm going to take one of these hexagon stickers right here, and I'm going to put it right in the middle. Now that I see the size difference, I can move it because I see that this is actually bigger than I thought it was. Or maybe I'll just turn it like this. So if I go like that, and then I put this, I think I kind of want to do it at an angle, like that. a little thing that's bothering me is that you can kind of see through it a little bit. So now that I have that, you know what I might do? I might take this and just cut the sticker. Let's see if this works. Alright, now let's see how well this worked. So let's pull this up. And let's see. Look at that. And then I can just pull this off of the back of my sticker here. Ooh, man. Game changer. Now I have these pieces which I can use again someplace else. But now, this just fits right in there. Look at that. That is pretty awesome. So in this sticker, I'm just going to write Fly Lady Cleaning Schedule. I kind of wrote on an angle a little bit, but that's okay. Fly Lady Cleaning Schedule looks absolutely amazing. I actually think I'm going to come back in here. These are the pieces that I had left over right here. I just put them on top of the sticker book, and I think I'm going to pull them into my spread up here. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of finagle this. There we go, like that. So then I think I'm actually going to pull in just kind of one more little flower from the same sticker book, and I'm just going to kind of put it this way, because I feel like it looked a little bit odd if it doesn't continue over. Now I gotta figure out how to cut this. And then these that I cut off can maybe go right there. There we go. Alright. So this is my cleaning schedule that I just kind of put in the back of my planner to have back here. I used mild liners and pen for the boxes for my daily focus, my zone cleaning, and my routines here at the bottom. I pulled in a few stickers from some Happy Planner sticker books. The flowers are from the Happy Hostess sticker book. This hexagon right here is from the journaling sticker book, and that's all that this was. Super quick, super simple, and it is at home in the back of my planner for me to reference if I'm working here in my monthly and then I'm like, okay, what week is it, what zone is it going to be, or like what do I need to do on Monday the 1st. I can come back here and be like, oh, on Mondays is my home blessing, this is what I need to do for zone 1 if I'm in that zone for the week. So this is what it looks like, and it turns out amazing. I love it. I'm so excited for this one. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I would really appreciate it, just to let me know if you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more content like it. I have a few more notes pages to do in the back of my planner here, but then I will be done with this series, and I will do a flip through video of all the notes pages that I've done and kind of explain all of them and give you guys some ideas. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have an amazing day. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.